What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're just gonna do a little unboxing. We got a little thing here from Forgeline. We're gonna show you what it is real quick. All right, what do we got here? All right. Ah, look at that. This is a wheel center cap. You can see the Forgeline and Motorsports there, gloss black, because at our last track day out at Sebring, after looking over the car afterwards, I noticed after looking at, everything, I noticed one of our center caps had come off. Now, what I've heard is this happens due to heat, and for whatever reason, it was one of the rears that decided to let go. The fronts on both sides still present, but this rear one decided to let go. So we had to get ourselves another one. As you guys know, I have a satin black set of Forgeline GS1Rs, and those don't have center caps. They don't even have the ability to have center caps installed. When you get these wheels, you have to specify if you want center caps or not. So these ones have a groove machined in them to accept center caps. But if you are going to run these at the track, you need to take them out, or this can happen. So lesson learned for the next time. But we're just gonna pop that in there. We'll be good to go. All right, we just put a little padding right there and hit it on with a mallet. We're good to go. Now our next track day event is actually gonna be my private event called Cars and Carnards. It's gonna be at the firm on February 20th. Registration is still open. Our track day slots are pretty much full. I think we have like maybe one or two left. But however, Cars and Coffee Paddock, if you wanna be part of the Cars and Coffee Paddock, that registration is still open. We're not close to hitting the limit there. $15 to attend, and I'll do a group rate of $10 per car if your group is 6 or more. It's per vehicle, not per person, so if you can fit 6 people in a vehicle or whatever, they all get in for the $15 or $10. And that cost is just to help keep the track day as cost effective as possible, as well as some of the giveaways we're doing. We got some sweet giveaways, one of them being this PS80 power station from anti-gravity batteries. I'll leave a link in the video description below and up in the corner where you can go see the live unboxing of this, where we go over all the specs, details, what it can do, and show you kind of like the features and function of it. I used this all weekend at the Rolex 24 at Daytona. This thing was amazing out there. So definitely check that video out. If you're interested in winning this, you have to be present to win. So if you want a chance to win this PS80 power station from anti-gravity batteries, definitely make sure you attend Cars and Carnards on February 20th at the firm. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you on the next one.